So guys, I go this resort in my birthday in 2024 in 2029 in October. So they were so cool. I go in the swimming pool. They were so cool. And then there is my birthday. He celebrate in there. So you can see the front. There is an ice cream truck. You can see the fruit truck in the bungalow. So if you go this resort, comment down below, call resort, and then I'm gonna message you. Thank you. Bye.